Hello everyone, how are you today? Are you ready to test your listening skill? Good, let me tell you how. Listen to the audio and choose the correct sounds that complete the words in the sentences below. Maybe you have to choose one sound for more than one word. Let's go to sentence number 1. The queen likes to be clean. What sounds complete the words queen and clean? Click on the correct sounds. Now sentence number 2. It's not easy sweeping leaves. Click on the correct sounds that complete the words easy, sweeping, and leaves. Sentence number 3. Mr. E deletes the tree. What sounds complete the words delete and the tree? Click on them. The last sentence is let's eat cream cakes with tea. You have to click on the correct sound that completes each word here. Waiting for your answers. Don't forget to click on submit. Thank you.